How to access My VVC. My VVC is very important because that is where you'll be able to access your student email, the online orientation, placement survey, and much more. First, visit our website at www.vvc.edu. Then, click My VVC located on the top right corner of the page. Next, sign into My VVC with your login credentials. If it is your first time signing in, look for your VVC welcome email that would have been sent a few days after you applied to the college. The email will include your My VVC username and password. Your initial password will be a combination of the following: first 3 letters of your birth month with the first letter being capital, 2-digit birth date, 4-digit birth year, followed by an exclamation mark. For example, if you were born August 21st, 2004, your password will be capital A, lowercase ug, 212004 exclamation mark. If you were having trouble logging in, please contact our help desk by phone at 760-245-4271 extension 2740 or by email at servicedesk@vvc.edu. Since it is your first time signing in, you'll be prompted with a password recovery setup. To proceed, click Setup Recovery. Next, select if you would like to set up a mobile phone, email, or question recovery option. For example, if mobile phone was selected, you'll be asked to provide your phone number that can receive a recovery text message. After entering the phone number, click Save on the bottom right corner. You'll be sent a text message with a verification code. Enter the verification code in the field provided, then click Submit. You can continue adding recovery options or click the X on the top right corner. You have now successfully logged into My VVC. Thank you for watching. If you need additional support or have questions, please reach out to the counseling department by calling 760-245-4271 extension 2296.